Hey guys,
गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग। हेलो, बोलिए। ओके ओके, नोट। Very like yesterday, and good practice. And
गुड इवनिंग का।
good thing. So,
आज तो सही है दाखिला।
Unit 7, Exercise 7, Parts 1 and 2.
1. Derek.
My favourite film is Jaws. I saw it years ago and I was so frightened I couldn't watch. I closed my eyes. I liked it because I like sharks, I really do, and I enjoy frightening films. Also, I loved the Jaws music. Da-da, da-da. I feel frightened hearing it now. I'm not sure who starred in the film. I think it was Robert Shaw.
2. Mandy.
I like a lot of films, but I think Pride and Prejudice.
uh, guys, he says, I don't know who starred in the film. I think it was Robert Shaw. आपने प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया क्योंकि आपके दिमाग में कुछ आया नहीं होगा ऐसा। चलिए, उसने बोला क्या? मुझे नहीं पता किसने काम कर दी फिल्म में। शायद रॉबर्ट शॉ थे। आई थिंक इट वाज रॉबर्ट शॉ। मुझे पता नहीं पत्थर किसने चलाया। शायद रवि ने चलाया। शायद रवि था। चलो बोलो। आई डोंट नो हु थ्रू द स्टोन। आई डोंट नो हु थ्रू द स्टोन। मुझे लगता है रवि था।
आई डोंट नो हु थ्रो द स्टोन मे बी ही इज रवि।
यही सीखा नहीं। यही मैं कहता हूँ, एकदम ऑब्जर्वेशन, एकदम नील करके रखा हुआ है। सुन रहे हो, रोज सुन रहे हो, लेकिन नहीं सीखा नहीं। देखो, देखो दोस्तों।
Starred in the film. I think it was Robert Shaw.
ऐसे बोला उसने। आई डोंट नो हु स्टार्ड इन द फिल्म। आई थिंक इट वाज रॉबर्ट शॉ। सुना था ना, तुमने कहा ना, बहुत बार सुना है ना। उसने ही बोला। बोला उसने ही। दोस्तों, सनाबिटा, पे फुल अटेंशन, वी आर हैविंग अ वेरी सीरियस कॉन्वर्सेशन हियर। रोज के रोज एक ही बात हो रही है कि आप लोग बहुत कम गौर करते हैं। मुझे नहीं पता कौन था फोन पे। लगता है रेनू थी।
I'm not sure
आई डोंट
who
नो
who was
ऑन द कॉल। आई डोंट नो हु वाज ऑन द कॉल।
in the call. I think it was
हु
Ravi.
मे बी रेनू इज।
फिर भी नहीं सीख पा रहे ना। चलो और कोई बताओ, एक ही आदमी थोड़ी है। और बताएं।
Are you hearing me, sir?
लिटिल बिट, नॉट वेरी क्लियरली।
Who was on the call? It was me.
I
It
think
was Ravi.
it was Renu. I think it was Renu, right?
It was Ravi.
यही बोला उसने ना, आई थिंक इट वॉज रॉबर्ट शॉ।
हाँ, it was Robert Shaw.
आप लोग सुने थे ये सेंटेंस? ग्रामर, कोई नया ग्रामर है इसमें? कोई नया ग्रामर है? खाली ये पूछ रहा हूँ, कुछ नया ग्रामर बताओ। आई डोंट नो हु स्टार्ड इन द फिल्म, आई डोंट नो प्रेजेंट सिंपल, हु स्टार्ड इन द फिल्म पास्ट सिंपल। लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम है नो ऑब्जर्वेशन। आप मानते नहीं कि आपके लिए कुछ सीखने के लिए है? आप क्यों नहीं सीखे ये लाइन? आपने कभी ऐसा बोला है, मुझे नहीं पता किसने मारा मुझे, ठीक है, मुझे लगता है सना ने मारा, सना थी, सना मारी होगी। यही लाइन उसने बोला कि नहीं बोला? उसने मुझे नहीं पता किसने फिल्म में काम किया था, मुझे लगता है रॉबर्ट शॉ थे। बोला ना उसने, यही लाइन बोला ना, आई डोंट नो हु स्टार्ड इन द फिल्म, आई थिंक इट वॉज रॉबर्ट शॉ। गेस कर रहे हैं ना? मुझे नहीं पता मुझे किसने मारा, मुझे लगता है सना थी, सना ही मारी होगी। कैसे बोलेंगे?
I am not sure who beated me. I think
It
it was
was
Sana.
no.
तो आपको मेरी जरूरत क्यों पड़ी वही लाइन सुन के, वही लाइन बोलने के लिए? जो मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ, प्लीज मुझे जवाब दीजिएगा। ये अभी
Because of we are slow, sir. We are not as absorbed as you.
ये तो नहीं सही। ऐसे चलेगा क्या? ऐसे बोल के चलेगा क्या? आप लाइन सुन रहे थे तो आपने क्यों नहीं पूछा कि इसमें क्या सीख सकते हैं हम? क्या सुना आप लोगों ने? मैं आपको क्यों देता ऑडियो फाइल? क्यों नहीं रूल सिखा के?
Duh. I feel frightened hearing it now. I'm not sure who starred in the film.
I'm not sure who hit me, but I think it was ऋषिकेश। मुझे नहीं पता दरवाजे पे कौन था, लेकिन लगता है संयुक्ता मैम थी। I'm not sure who was at the door, who knocked at the door, but I think it was संयुक्ता मैम। मैं 50 लाइन बोल सकता हूं, फायदा क्या है? बात, मेन पॉइंट क्या था कि अच्छा मुझे लगता है संयुक्ता मैम थी। आई थिंक
He was.
इट वॉज संयुक्ता मैम।
It
मुझे
was
लगता है
Sana.
संयुक्ता मैम थी।
Hmm.
वही बोला उसने ना?
Hmm.
मतलब दरवाजे पे कोई था, कौन था?
Hmm.
संयुक्ता मैम थी। आई थिंक इट वॉज।
Think it was Saitam.
हाँ, तो फ्लो के साथ जाओ। हु नॉक्ड एट द डोर?
Who knocked at the door? I think it was Saitam.
राइट। आपने सुना था ना ये ऑडियो फाइल में लाइन? बार बार सुना ना? क्या सीखा था आपने? व्हाट डिड यू लर्न फ्रॉम दिस? प्लीज ऑब्जर्व करिए और ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करिए पैटर्न की, है ना? चलिए एक और एग्जांपल दे आखिर। किसी ने मेरा नाम बुलाया। somebody called out my name. I'm not sure who it was. I think it was
My name.
I think it was Abhishek. जब भी आपको किसी को पहचानना होगा, हमको लगता फलाना, आप कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करोगे?
It was.
निशात ने आवाज दी।
I think it was Nisar.
इट वाज निशात। फर्क पड़ा कि मैं लड़के के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ कि लड़की के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ? फर्क पड़ा इस बात से? ही और शी का कोई लोचा हुआ है यहाँ पे?
No.
नोटिस दिस, बिकॉज मैं यहाँ पर पहचान रहा हूँ, मुझे लगता है निशात थी। आई थिंक इट वाज निशात। somebody gave me a blank call. Somebody
Gave me a blank call.
Gave me a blank call.
आगे बढ़ो।
I think it was Renu.
Okay. I think it was one of my classmates. I think it was one of my
Classmate.
Classmates.
Any problems, anyone?
No.
Point. We are using it, not he or she, because we are trying to identify the person. Identify the person. कोई दरवाजे पे खटखटा रहा है. Somebody is knocking at the door.
Knocking at the door.
Somebody is knocking at the door. कोई दरवाजे पे खटखटा रहा है. Somebody is
Knocking at the door.
knocking at the door.
Knocking at the door.
प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस, कोई खटखटा रहा है. मुझे लगता है पापा हैं.
I think it was Papa.
फंसाया ना, दिमाग कैसा अटका हुआ है. रेनू बोलिए जोर से.
There
think
is
it
so
is
much
Papa.
noise outside, sir. So I muted myself.
Okay, good.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's okay. But I think you got
I
it
think
right.
it is Papa.
It is Papa. Was पे क्यों रहेंगे? When I said
It is
somebody is knocking at the door, it means अभी की बात हो रही है ना. Was क्यों?
is.
I am getting strange messages. I am getting strange messages
Strange messages.
from Irshad. From Irshad.
Sure.
Yeah, but I know Irshad can't write these things. I know Irshad can't write these things. मुझे पक्का पता है. I'm sure. I know Irshad can't write these things. I think it is somebody else writing from his account. I think it is somebody else.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Apurva. I think
Hello,
it is
sir.
somebody else. Got it? Any problems, anyone? आप यहाँ it क्यों बोल रहे हो? पता चल गया आपको? Because आप आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हो किसी को. ठीक है, कि ये होगा या वो होगा, ऐसे कर रहे हो. ऐसे सिचुएशन में आप ही शी की बात नहीं करते हो. ऐसे सिचुएशन में आप कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करते हो?
It.
Okay. दरवाजे पे नॉक हुआ. टक खट. ओपन द डोर. आप चिल्लाते कौन है? इंग्लिश.
Door. Who is?
क्या सीख रहे हो रवि? कुछ नहीं सीख रहे ना. Who are you? हाँ दोस्तों बताओ, अभी क्या सीखा है मैंने? आपके दरवाजे पे कोई खटखटाया, आप पीछे से आवाज दे, कौन है?
Who is
Who is
knocking the door?
knocking?
Who is knocking the door?
Who is it? Who is it? अभी मैंने आपको बताया था. Who is he, she नहीं बोलना आपको, आइडेंटिफाई करना. आप नहीं जान रहे आप उन्हें. Who is it? आपके पास और भी ऑप्शन है. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? लेकिन अगर आप बेसिकली यहाँ पर who is it बोलना पसंद करेंगे, who is that से भी ज्यादा नेचुरल आपके लिए कौन सा? Who is it? आप दरवाजे पे नॉक हुआ, आपने कहा कौन है? Who is it?
Who are
चलो.
you? Is wrong.
I think it was Robert Shaw. हमको याद नहीं है क्या गिफ्ट दिया था उसने. I'm not sure what gift he gave me. मुझे लगता है घड़ी थी. घड़ी गिफ्ट दिया था उसने. I'm not sure what gift he gave me. I think I don't remember very well. I think it was a watch. मुझे लगता है घड़ी दी थी उसने. I think
It was a watch.
It was a watch.
it was a watch.
I think it was Robert Shaw.
Sir,
2. Mandy.
Practice कर लेना कल. Okay? Don't.
sir, I'm still confused in it. Could you please explain little another way?
No explanation. I will keep repeating what I said because you have to accept what I said, and then I will see if you are confused. Again, you are in the wrong place. You are getting distracted.
I'm not in the wrong place, sir. But he is coming right now in my room. I'm in my
Tell me
room.
what I said. Tell me what I said. Situation क्या है?
Sorry, sir.
Oh, it's
I
Anand.
wanted to eat something.
आजकल
Mama is not here actually.
आजकल इसको मैंने एकदम ये कर रखा है, टाइट करके रखा हुआ है आनंद. कोई लिबर्टी नहीं,
देखता हूँ क्लास करते समय कुछ भी करता रहता है।
इसीलिए इसीलिए लिबर्टी नहीं दे रहे। चलो भाई बताओ क्या सिखाया तुम्हें रवि, क्या सिखाया मैंने अभी, क्या सिखाया? बस वो रिपीट करो जो मैंने बताया, उसके बाद बात होगी। कंफ्यूजन याद नहीं है तुम्हें मैंने क्या बताया? दैट्स नॉट कंफ्यूजन। लाइक यस्टरडे आई आस्क्ड रेनू नॉट टू यूज द वर्ड कंफ्यूज्ड व्हेन यू आर नॉट कंफ्यूज्ड। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड योर प्रॉब्लम। आपको याद है मैंने अभी क्या बोला?
Yes, sir.
रिपीट।
Uh, who, who is someone is knocking the door, and I'm asking who
हाँ,
is
क्या पूछना है?
who is that?
हु इज इट?
Who is it?
ये तो आखिरी
So,
एग्जांपल था।
but sir, when I say who are you, so
तुम यू को सामने देखोगे तब ना बोलोगे हु आर यू, इडियट। तुम दरवाजे के पीछे खड़े हो तो हु आर यू क्या बोलोगे? पूछोगे हु इज इट, राइट? जब जब दरवाजा खोला तुमने, एक अजनबी है तो ना पूछोगे तुम कौन हो, तुम कौन हो, हु आर यू, राइट? जब दरवाजे के सामने, आपके सामने कोई अजनबी, अजनबी से आप पूछते हैं, क्या पूछते हैं आप? हु आर यू, कौन हो तुम, हु आर यू, अजनबी से पूछते, राइट? आप उसको नहीं पहचान रहे।
but sir, we know well someone is knocking, so then we prefer who are you?
No, listen again. If somebody is knocking at the door and you want to know कौन है, कौन खटखटा रहा है, आप ये जानना चाहते हैं, तो आप आवाज लगाते हैं, कौन है? उधर से आवाज आ सकता है, इट्स मी योर सिस्टर, इट्स मी योर ब्रदर, इट्स मी योर फ्रेंड, इट्स मी योर डैडी, इट्स मी योर मॉम, कुछ भी आ सकता है जवाब, राइट गाइस? Please open the door. We need to discuss something about your street,
Yes.
some strangers, huh? So whatever.
Yes.
Your question will be, who's it? Knock,
It's
knock,
me.
knock, knock. Who's it? खेल गेम भी है, knock, knock. Who's it? Okay, guys? वो तो हो गया वो दरवाजे पर। अभी जो मैंने बताया था, उस फिल्म में कौन थी एक्ट्रेस? हमको लगता है मीनाक्षी शेषाद्री थी। कैसे
I
बोले?
think it was Meenakshi.
Who was in that film? Which actress starred in that film? I think it was मीनाक्षी शेषाद्री। कौन सी फिल्म देखने गए थे हम लोग? Which film did we go to watch? I think it was शोले, आग और शोले, आग और शोला, आग और शोला, या आग और शोला। It was आग और शोला। Okay. तो ऐसे करके आप ये पहचानते हैं किसी चीज को, ठीक है दोस्तों? It was.
Yes.
आदमी को भी it was बोल सकते, it is बोल सकते, जैसा भी मैंने बताया। Okay. कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who's it? I think it is पापा। लगता है पापा है। It is पापा।
I like a lot of films, but I think Pride and Prejudice is one of my favourites.
I like a lot of films, but I think Pride and Prejudice is one of my favorites.
I loved the actress Keira Knightley in it.
I loved, past tense, I loved the actress. मुझे बड़ी अच्छी लगी हिंदी। I loved the actress Keira Knightley in it. I loved the actress Keira Knightley in it. बड़ी अच्छी लगी मुझे Keira Knightley इस फिल्म में।
She was excellent.
She was excellent. How people change. I remember I watched the movie हमको दीवाना कर गए. All right. The film starred Akshay Kumar and Katrina Kaif. And I remember how crazy I was for this couple, for this pair, on-screen pair. You know, I love them. And I remember I had a huge crush on this girl, you know, Katrina, when I was young. And then I saw the same film a couple of days ago. And I thought, oh my God, she's so boring in that film. The same girl I remembered, I couldn't believe that I loved this character so much in that movie when I was young. I think I was in my 20s when I watched Humko Deewana Kar Gaye. All right. And now I'm in my 40s. The same girl appears so boring to me. So boring. People change, I have changed so much. Oh God. Otherwise, I would like her still the same. I mean, I like Katrina Kaif, but I don't like that character in that film. Her name is Gia, something like that. I don't remember. It was a big name. She is a rich girl. अभिषेक गुप्ता, मैं लगातार अपने पिछले 2 वीडियोस में ये बात हाईलाइट कर रहा हूं। अभिषेक गुप्ता, जो आपने सवाल मुझसे पूछा है, बिल्कुल सही पूछा है कि इट इज यूज्ड फॉर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, राइट। और मैं अपने लास्ट 2 वीडियोस जो डेडिकेटेड वीडियोस बनाए यूट्यूब के लिए, नॉट माय क्लास रिकॉर्डिंग्स, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माय यूट्यूब वीडियोस, बोथ ऑफ देम आर सेइंग द सेम थिंग कि आप लोग जितनी इंग्लिश सीख करके, कोर्स जिसको कहते हो आप लोग, आपको जो भी अवेलेबल है आपके लिए पूरा, ठीक है, आप उसको सीख के कोर्स करने जो जाते हो, इंग्लिश का कोर्स, ओके, ग्रामर, स्पोकन, कोई भी जो कोर्स में सिलेबस है उसको सीख के आप इंग्लिश समझना चाहते हो, आप नहीं समझ पाओगे क्योंकि वो अधूरा है। आपको जो बताएगा ना, इट इज यूज्ड फॉर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, ये सही है, अधूरा है। उसके बाद आगे का लेसन आता है कि इट कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर पीपल टू इन सर्टेन कॉन्टेक्स्ट, और वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट अभी आपके सामने है जहां आप सुन रहे हो इट को बीइंग यूज्ड फॉर पीपल। ये है हायर लेवल लेसन। मैंने पिछले दोनों वीडियोस में कहा है कि स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ाई करते हैं, उनको लगता है उन्होंने सीख लिया, उसके दम पे वो समझना चाहते हैं इंग्लिश, नहीं समझ पाएंगे। दैट इज इनकम्प्लीट नॉलेज, सिंपल। जैसे आपको पता था इट इज यूज्ड फॉर थिंग्स, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, एनिमल्स, ट्रू, आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट इज रॉन्ग, but it is incomplete information. It can be used for people, and we are learning that. We are just learning that. आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए हम लोग कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए दोस्तों? इट। अभी मैंने एग्जांपल दिया आपको। कौन खटखटा रहा है इतना रात में? आई थिंक इट इज आवर नेबर XYZ। मैं आपको और ज्यादा ग्रामर में फंसा नहीं रहा, नहीं तो मैं बोलता इट माइट बी XYZ। माइट भी अभी मैंने पढ़ाया नहीं इसलिए मैं बोल नहीं रहा। आई थिंक इट इज बोल के जा रहा हूं, ठीक है। फलानमा होगा, ठीक है। क्या कर रहे हो आप? आइडेंटिफाई करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, राइट? कि कौन होगा जो दरवाजा खटखटा? इट। तो यहाँ पर इट प्रोनाउन यूज करोगे। आपको नहीं पता है खटखटाने वाला औरत है या आदमी है, आपको नहीं पता। खटखटाहट will not tell you whether it is a woman or a man. You will use, I think it is XYZ. I don't know who it is at this time of the night. I don't know who it is. पता नहीं कौन है। I don't know who it is at this time of the night. Okay. Shall we continue, दोस्तों?
And I really loved the beautiful clothes they wore.
And I really loved the beautiful clothes they wore. I loved the actress Keira Knightley in it. And I loved the beautiful clothes they wore. I loved the beautiful clothes they wore. I loved, subject verb, I loved. The beautiful clothes, object. I loved the beautiful clothes they wore in this film. I love the beautiful clothes they wore. Okay. So she, Mandy, liked the beautiful clothes the actor and actresses wore in this film. Okay. मुझे
थोड़ा
बहुत
साउंड कम है इसका।
yes, it is true. Your voice is not very loud today, ma'am. Okay, I'll give you another example. Okay, I'll give you another example. I love the beautiful clothes they wore in it. Okay, I love the beautiful stories this book has. I love the beautiful stories this book has. फिर से देखते हैं। Subject I, verb love, I love object, I love the beautiful stories this book has.
this book has.
मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है वो कपड़े जो कटरीना पहनती है ना, मुझे वो कपड़े बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं। कैसे बोलूं मैं? आई लाइक, आई लव
Like,
clothes
Clothes that
Katrina
like
wears,
Katrina wears.
that
which and that are
clothes.
optional. You can drop them, no problems. You can say this sentence which without that. I love the clothes Katrina wears. मुझे कटरीना कपड़े बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं, वो कपड़े जो पहनती है ना बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं। I love the clothes Katrina wears. मम्मी जो खाना बनाती है ना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। I love the
Love the food Mama cooks.
Mama
I love the
cooks.
food, I love the dishes, I love the things mummy cooks.
I love the things mommy cooks.
आप जो जोक्स बोलते हैं ना बिल्कुल बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं लगते हमको, बहुत बेकार लगते हैं आपके जोक्स। I don't
I don't like the joke.
I don't like the
I don't
joke.
like the
You
joke
crack.
you said.
You cracks.
you tell ऐस मत लगाओ पूर्वा।
You tell.
You tell. You crack. Okay.
I don't like the jokes you tell. तो यार तुम जो लिपस्टिक लगाती हो ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है हमको यार।
I like the lipstick
I like the lipstick.
you put.
you wear a lipstick.
You wear.
wear हाँ
Wear.
you WEAR okay? You wear lipsticks. बोलो हम लिपस्टिक्स नहीं लगाते।
I don't
wear
wear
I don't wear any lipsticks.
I don't wear lipsticks. I don't wear lipstick. Okay, like that.
I wear lipsticks.
Okay. जो डिजाइन तुम बनाए हो कितना जबरदस्त लग रहा है हमको, बहुत पसंद है तुम्हारे जो बनाए हो डिजाइन। Your designs are beautiful. I love the designs you make. I love the designs you
You make.
okay.
I love the designs you make.
I love it.
हम जो भी आप
You
decision
make.
लेंगे, हम मान लेंगे। I will agree with whatever decision
You make.
Tell.
you make. Okay.
Make.
Will agree with whatever decision you take, whatever decision you make. Okay. Okay. Fine. Let's continue. Don't forget to write some similar sentences. Okay. मुझे आजकल की लड़कियां जो कपड़े पहनती हैं ना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आते, एकदम नहीं अच्छे लगते मुझे वो कपड़े। I don't like the clothes.
Nowadays,
I
girls
don't
wear.
like clothes.
Girls wear.
Nowadays girls wear.
थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे हो रहा है। I don't like the clothes girls wear these days.
Nowadays.
I don't like the clothes girls wear
I
these
don't like the
days.
clothes girls wear nowadays. Yeah. I don't like the clothes girls wear nowadays. Done? Any confusion? Any confusion, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay.
You see, I know the book very well.
You see, I know the book very well. You see, ऐसा है ना कि हमको किताबा तो बहुत अच्छे से पता है, किताबा. Okay, why I'm saying किताबा this way? The book. She is talking about a particular book, a definite book. I know the book very well. And which book is she talking about? Any idea?
Prides and Prejudice.
Pride and
She is
Prejudice novel.
Pride and
Right,
Prejudice.
and
Because
Prejudice.
Pride and Prejudice is a novel. Okay, so she's talking about that. She says, you see, I know the book very well. ऐसा है ना, you see means you explain. You use you see जब आप कुछ explanation दे रहे होते हैं, ठीक है? आप ये जो हर दिन नया नया कपड़ा पहनते बड़ा मस्त है। हाँ, yeah, I'm lucky. You see, my husband actually मतलब आप explain करने वाले हो, ठीक है? तो आप you see बोल के आप explanation देते हो, okay? Why do you use you see? To give an explanation.
Give an explanation.
You start with you see and then you give the explanation. Okay. Sir, I'm not working very hard these days. I know. You see, I have a wedding at home, sir. My brother is getting married. My sister is getting married. So you see, I have a lot of work. Okay. So you see is used to give an explanation. Okay. It is an informal expression which people use when they're giving an explanation. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You see, I know the book very well.
And I loved it when I saw it on TV.
And I loved it. सब लोग को पता चल गया. You see is used when you are giving an explanation. Explanation पता है ना दोस्तों?
Yes.
Yes,
कोई
sir.
क्यों है कैसा है क्यों है बताने के लिए you see बोलते हैं. ठीक है. आप ना अपना बेटा को बहुत ज्यादा ही प्यार कर रहे हो इसीलिए वो बिगड़ रहा है थोड़ा. You won't understand now. You see, when he was born, इस तरह से आप आगे बात बताएंगे अपना, है ना? एक्सप्लेनेशन दीजिएगा. You see and then you give the explanation. Okay. तो हिंदी में क्या बोल सकते हैं इसके जगह? क्या लगता है? अरे ऐसा है ना, ऐसा करके बोलते हैं ना कभी कभी.
Yes, sir.
सर ऐसा है ना कि अभी इधर बहुत काम है सर. You see, I have a lot of work these days, sir. है ना? You see करके आप एक्सप्लेनेशन देते हैं. ओके. तो प्लीज जब सुनना तो याद करना मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन कि मैंने कैसे समझाया था. You see, I know the book very well and I loved it when I saw it on TV. And I loved it when I saw it on TV. It means program. This Pride and Prejudice was a TV series as well. She said, I loved it when I saw it on TV. I loved it when I saw it on TV. What does it mean? मुझे जब मैंने टीवी पे देखा तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो आप लोग ऑन टीवी बोलने का मतलब फिल्म टीवी पे आई नहीं. हम लोग सोचते हैं फिल्म आई होगी टीवी पे. नहीं. When I loved it when I saw it on TV means series. Okay. Jodha Akbar was a film and Jodha Akbar was a series as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which did you like better? You liked it better on TV or you liked it better at the cinema?
I like better on TV.
अगर किसी ने दोनों देखा हो तो वो बता सकता है मुझे what they liked better. If you watched
I think
Jodha Akbar at the cinema and you
saw
watched
in
Jodha Akbar
TV.
on TV. Okay, tell me आपने कौन सा देखा है ये वाला यूज करके on at the cinema and on TV phrase यूज करके बताइए. बोले I watched it.
Straight
I
on
watched
TV.
it on TV and also on cinema, sir.
At the cinema था.
At the cinema.
आप लैंग्वेज लर्निंग मोड में हो ही नहीं इसीलिए आप इतना आसानी से इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. आप हिंदी समझ के खुश हो गए. मैंने सिनेमा में बोला था एट द सिनेमा लेकिन आपने फ्रेज पे गौर नहीं करा. आपका दिमाग फ्रेज पे नहीं जाता कि कौन सा वर्ड यूज करके वो आइडिया एक्सप्रेस करा गया था. उस पर बहुत कमजोर कम जाता आपका दिमाग. आप उसका मतलब निकाल देती है खुश जाती है. आपका दिमाग सेटिस्फाइड हो जाता है मतलब समझ के. इसलिए 2 मिनट पहले मैंने बोला था एट द सिनेमा और एक बार नहीं 2 बार बोला था अगर आप गौर करोगे तो. ठीक है. एट द सिनेमा. ओके.
सर एट द सिनेमा मतलब उसमें मॉल में मतलब मूवी आउटसाइड देखी है घर की मतलब.
जी
सही है सर. But I didn't watch at the cinema, sir. I watched the movie, but I didn't watch at the cinema, sir.
Yeah, I know what you mean. In India, people, and nowadays with the, you have this thing, Netflix and all, you can watch movies on TV, right? You can watch movies at home, right?
Yeah.
तो आपको बोल सकते हैं. But if you say I watched it at the cinema, इसका मतलब?
Outside, मतलब.
Cinema hall.
Cinema
Yeah.
hall. Yeah.
Exactly. I watched it at the cinema. Okay, so she says, I liked it when I watched it on TV. She saw Pride and Prejudice on TV, okay? And she loved it. She said, I loved it when I saw it on TV. Renu, you have seen both the series and the film.
Yeah, sir, but I didn't watch whole serial, sir.
Of course.
Some episode I watched, some episode.
Of course.
Yes.
Apurva, you have also watched both the movie and the series.
Yes, sir.
How many people here have watched both the movie and the series? Anybody else?
Oh, sir.
Okay, you guys haven't watched the movie.
I saw some episode on
But
TV,
I
sir.
also didn't watch the whole episodes. I watched only few episodes of series.
I mean, it is pretty typical. Sometimes we miss a few episodes. So, which did you like better?
I think movie
I like the
was the
series.
best, better. Movie
You
was,
like the movie better, you know.
yeah, sir.
Apurva, which did you like better?
Sir, I like the series because the character, who plays that character, who played that character, was good.
Okay, एक correction करता हूँ और ध्यान से practice करना. The actor who played you know the characters.
I think, sir, the female
Who's the
character
main
was good at
हाँ
Yeah.
serials.
Yes, sir.
In serials, sir.
who से start नहीं
Female
करना.
character.
जो बोलना हो तो who से मत शुरू करना. ठीक है?
Okay,
जो
sir.
बोलना तो
The
who से.
actress, the
हाँ
actress who played.
हाँ exactly.
Okay, sir.
All right. You know what?
The
Ramayana
act-
and Mahabharata are very, very successful series, no?
Yeah, sir.
The whole of India watched Ramayana.
Yeah, sir. Every Sunday.
Yeah, for a long time, for such a long time. And then they made movies as well, Ramayana and Mahabharata. They tried, okay? But the films were not a big success. You know why? Because the events happened very quickly, you know, like in 2-3 hours, you see everything. Some stories need to be told in a long way. Series are the best way to tell some stories. For example, if you talk about Mahabharata, then Mahabharata is interesting how Pandavas were born and how they faced a lot of problems in their childhood as well. Then they came back to live in the palace. Then the Kauravas had problems, and then they five villages were demanded. Finally, they got Indraprasth, and then Yudhishthir built a structure, a big palace, and then a very important event when Duryodhan falls into that place and into in the palace, and Draupadi laughs at him, saying "Andhe ka beta andha."
Yes, yes.
And then a lot of things happen, and then the war goes on for such a long time. Each day a new warrior dies. Dronacharya dies, then Bhishma Pitama dies, Ashwathama dies, and each one is a story in itself, right? When you watch these things in a movie, all of these things are packed, sandwiched within 2-3 hours, very, stuffed in 2-3 hours. And you don't enjoy watching all these events so quickly, unfolding so quickly, taking place so quickly. You want to watch them in detail. And that's why the movie Mahabharata was never a success. The movie Ramayana was never a success, but the series is always a big hit. 2 Mahabharats have been tried, both the Mahabharats were a big success. Ramayana was also tried, I think, twice. They were both success. What I'm saying is, certain stories need more time to be told. Okay. And a movie doesn't have so much of time, just 2 hours, 2 hours and 30 minutes. And that's why some stories are better as series. Think about this Mirzapur. Okay. Oh my God, what a big success Mirzapur was as a series. Now, if somebody tries to show the whole thing in 2 hours, I don't know how people will like it. So, those people who know that it's a big story, they normally don't have a very big expectation from a film. For example, this recently the movie came, Ramayana, with Saif Ali Khan, and it was a super flop film, right?
I didn't watch, sir.
I didn't watch either. Okay. It was a super flop film. Okay. So the thing is, a lot of people knew that it was going to be a big flop because, some stories need more time to be told. You can't tell those stories in 2 hours.
Yes, sir.
So that's why this girl says, I liked it when I watched it on TV. And listen to the next line.
I thought the film would be rubbish.
I thought the film would be rubbish. I thought the film would be rubbish. I thought the film would be
Rubbish.
rubbish. मुझे तो लगा था कि फिल्म बेकार होगी, यही बोला ना उसने। I thought the film would be rubbish. आप लोग आसानी से हिंदी बोल पाते हो ऐसे ऐसे सेंटेंसेस की, या मुश्किल होती है आपके लिए? I thought the film would be rubbish. आपको तुरंत समझ में आ गया था सुन के कि उसको लगा था कि फिल्म अच्छी नहीं होगी, उसके एक्सपेक्टेशन ज्यादा नहीं थे। I thought the film would be rubbish. समझ गए थे? अगर नहीं समझे थे तो देखियो कौन सा हिस्सा नहीं समझने दे रहा था। I thought, past tense. Anish, why are you off camera? Shazia, why are you off camera? I'm gonna throw you out of the room. This next moment. No mercy. हाँ, एकदम रिलैक्स मत होना, एकदम रिलैक्स मत होना। मेरे सामने हर समय चेहरा दिखाओ कि हम कैसे सीख रहे हैं, कितना फोकस कर रहे हैं। शाजिया,
Sir, can you hear me?
yep, I can hear you. Okay,
Sir, why we use would, sir?
I'm coming to this.
होगा ना।
The film would be rubbish. आप क्या चाहते थे? अगर would ना होता तो क्या होता?
We expecting ना सर।
सर वुड होगा ना सर, क्योंकि वो सोच के मतलब उसको लगा था कि ऐसा
I
होगा।
asked रेनू, अगर would ना होता तो क्या होता रेनू?
Will.
बहुत अच्छे, तो ध्यान से सुन लो सब लोग। विल मतलब अभी से फ्यूचर की तरफ जाना, अभी से फ्यूचर की तरफ जाना। ओके, पास्ट से फ्यूचर की तरफ जाना विल नहीं होता, वो वुड होता है। ओके, पास्ट में फ्यूचर की बात करेंगे तो विल नहीं होता। उसने पास्ट की बात करी ना, आई थॉट, मुझे लगा था। आई थॉट मतलब मुझे लगा था, पास्ट टेंस। आई थॉट, मुझे क्या लगा था? फिल्म रबिश होगी। आई थॉट द फिल्म वुड बी रबिश। सो प्रेजेंट में फ्यूचर की बात करना, यू कैन यूज विल, लेकिन पास्ट में फ्यूचर की बात करना देन
would।
Use
हाँ।
would.
मुझे लगा था कि तुम नहीं आओगे।
I thought that you would
Thought you
not.
would not.
You will
come.
not come. Think you will not
You would
come.
not come।
You would.
would
You
लगेगा।
would not come.
मुझे
हाँ
लगता
सर,
है,
will लगेगा।
मुझे लगता है वो नहीं आएगा।
I think he will not come.
Not come. Will
मुझे
लगेगा।
लगा था वो नहीं आएगा।
लगा था ना।
I thought he would not come.
Thought he would not come.
Okay, Apurva, say it one more time.
I सर which one था और
मुझे लगा था वो
है?
नहीं, मुझे लगा था वो नहीं आएगा।
I thought।
I thought he would not come.
Good.
Yeah.
I thought he would not come. Okay, मुझे लगा था वो नहीं। I thought the film would be rubbish. Clear everybody? Will and would. One difference. सिर्फ एक difference.
एक ये है, मुझे लगता है कि वो नहीं आएगा।
हाँ बोले। I think.
तो I think he will
I
not
think
come।
he will not come.
He will not come.
अच्छा ठीक है, बाद में इसमें भी और इम्प्रूवमेंट कराएंगे। ठीक है, जैसे नेचुरल तरीका है, ऐसे तो बोल सकते हैं आप।
Like sir, in that present time, अगर मैं आपसे सब कुछ बोलूं, जैसे I thought India would win, but वो हार गई। और मैं अब जैसे सर, अब मैं प्रेजेंट टाइम में आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, मैच हो चुका है पास्ट में, अब मैं कह रही हूँ कि मुझे तो लगा था इंडिया जीत जाएगी। I thought India would win.
Right.
Then right.
That's the point.
It's
Yes,
right.
yes।
इस बात से फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप प्रेजेंट में बोल रही है, आप पास्ट की बात कर रही है।
Yes सर, मुझे लगा
I
था, ऐसा है ना सर, पास्ट की बात मुझे लगा था।
रेनू, वही मैं बता रहा हूँ पूर्वा, कि रेनू सोच रही कि मैं प्रेजेंट में बोल रही तो प्रेजेंट हो गया। बोलता तो हर आदमी प्रेजेंट में ही है, लेकिन बात
Yes,
किस
sir.
टाइम की करता है।
Past का बात
मतलब मैं पास्ट के लिए आपसे अभी ही बात कर रही हूँ ना सर, प्रेजेंट में।
कभी भी कोई पास्ट में जाके बात कर सकता है रेनू, जो आप ये लाइक बोल रहे हो कि मैं अभी बात कर रही हूँ। जब भी कोई कुछ बोलेगा तो वो अभी अपने टाइम पे ही प्रेजेंट में ही बोलेगा ना। आप पास्ट की बात कर सकते हैं, पास्ट में बात कैसे कर सकते हैं? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड।
यस सर।
right.
शाजिया, मैं तुम्हें हटा रहा हूं फिर से। शाजिया, मजाक नहीं, और मैं दोबारा नहीं लूंगा तुम्हें। शाजिया, रूल बहुत क्लियर है, सबको बैठ करके सामने
हेलो
ऐसे,
सर।
नहीं तो फिर ऐसे रहना,
हेलो।
टकरावे कुछ नहीं, मैं सुन रहा हूँ, जल्दी बोलो।
हेलो
सर
सर।
हाँ जी।
सर मतलब मुझे लगा मतलब इसमें आप बोला था हाइपोथेटिकल भी हो सकता है, मुझे लगा।
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, कोई नहीं, कोई नहीं, बस बस मैं कम मिनिमाइज कर देता हूँ आपके ग्रामर की प्रॉब्लम को। हाँ, आपको क्या लगा? आपको लगा वो मुझे प्यार करता है, मुझे लगा वो मुझे प्यार करता है, मेरे साथ वो बेईमानी नहीं करेगा। आई थॉट
I thought he
he,
loved me.
he loved me, past tense, okay,
loved
He
I
loved
thought he
me.
loved me, okay, वो मुझे चीट नहीं करेगा।
I think
I thought he would not
Not,
cheat
he
me.
would
not cheat.
Not
didn't
cheated me.
I thought he would not cheat, would not, हमेशा
cheat.
past tense,
not cheat.
will,
Yes,
would
yes.
दोनों के बाद
He
V1,
won.
will और would दोनों के बाद V1, okay मोनी, ओनली
Okay.
V1।
Okay,
हाँ,
sir.
मुझे लगा तो वो नहीं आएगा। आई थॉट ही वुडंट कम, वुडंट के बाद कम बोल रहे हैं, ओके, कम V1, ओके। एक करेक्शन कर दूं, मुझे लगा तो वो नहीं आएगा। आई डिडंट थिंक ही वुड कम, ज्यादा नेचुरल है। आई डिडंट थिंक ही वुड कम, आई डिडंट
I
थिंक,
didn't think he would come.
I didn't
I
think
didn't
he
think
would
he would
come.
come.
मुझे नहीं लगता वो आएगा। आई डोंट थिंक ही वुड कम।
I don't think he would.
Would come. Would come.
ऑलराइट फाइन, लेट्स मूव ऑन। मुझे लगा था,
Sir, so when we say कि मुझे लगता है वो आएगा, तो यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता वो आएगा। तो यहाँ पे बोलेंगे आई डोंट थिंक ही विल कम।
यस,
ओके सर।
ओके फाइन, गुड, ग्रेट। आप लोग सब ऑडियो फाइल सुन रहे हैं दिन भर में 1-2 घंटे?
यस सर।
दोस्तों, आर यू ऑल लिसनिंग टू द ऑडियो फाइल्स? और अच्छा, मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, आई नोटिस समथिंग, I forgot to send audio files of a particular unit a few days ago, and we had already moved to 7.7, 7.8, and not a single audio file I shared. I forgot to. Nobody asked me. 7.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 were missing. Nobody said, sir, where are the audio files? It means nobody was listening.
Sir, you already sent lots of audio file part.
No, sir. You
I
send
I'm saying this.
7.8.
This happened in the past. This happened in the past, not now. A few, maybe 15, 20
3 or
days back, 15, 20 days back, okay, or 30 days back, I noticed that certain audio files were not there in the group, okay? And students did not ask for those audio files. It means they did not feel that these audio files were missing. It means they were not listening. So I'm asking everybody, you have to spend an hour or two listening to the audio files. Explanation from me here in the class and audio files outside the class. That's it. Got it? I'm giving you explanations here in the class, and outside the class, you need to listen to the audio files. Very, very important. The strength to understand what I explain comes from listening, because I explain things mainly in English, and that's why you would understand me better if you listen to the audio files. Okay. I thought the film would be rubbish. मुझे लगा था वो मुझे माफ कर देगा।
I thought he would forgive me.
अच्छा, ये दो लड़कियां हैं, रेनू एंड अपूर्वा, who are responding very quickly, and there is संयोगिता मैम as well who is responding. What about the rest of you guys? आपका दिमाग स्लो हो जाता है? मुझे लगा था वो मुझे माफ कर देगा।
I thought that.
हाँ, boys. Yes, Moni.
I thought that he would forgive me.
Yeah, that's right. सब लोग ऐसे ही आसानी से बोल पा रहे हैं या मुश्किल हो रही है?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sir, I want when I listen the audio file, I need to play one by one. So could you please give me another solution to play at once and continue?
Okay, yeah, that can be a good idea when you're traveling to some place, okay, when you're on the walk, okay.
No, sir, because I'm asking because of I went in the morning every day like 5 or 6:30 when I'm free.
Let me finish what I was saying. If people are traveling to some place to work or to school and on the road, on the bus, they have free time, they can listen to all the audio files back to back, back to back, back to back. Okay? Paying full attention. However, when you are free at home, you're listening, pause after each line, repeat, try to understand what is being said. Don't play all the audio files. That's not going to help. Okay? Mixture. When you're traveling, when you're walking, then listen all the audio files back to back, no problems. But when you can, then pause the lines and repeat them. Try to understand the meaning. This is how you can improve, okay? Your listening ability. Don't I pause here? Do I play back to back all the audio? No. I play a line and then I pause, then I explain, you understand, and then we move on to the next line.
But I liked it even more than on TV.
But I liked it even more than on TV. But I liked it even more than on TV. Okay, guys? She said, I liked it even more than on TV. Yeah. She liked it more. Okay.
It's just so romantic.
It's just so romantic.
3.
It is so romantic.
Frank.
It's just so romantic. It is just so romantic. Pride and Prejudice is such a romantic movie.
So romantic.
So romantic. This is a very silly question to ask. Do you consider yourself a romantic person? Okay. It is a type of personality, guys. Okay. Romantic people, how do I explain? I don't know. Leave it. Let's move on.
I love Western films.
I love Western films. Okay. This person loves Western films.
I think it's because I played cowboys and Indians all the time when I was...
I think it's because he's giving the reason why he likes. Okay. I think it's because, okay. He says, I like Western films. First he said, I like Western films, right? Listen again.
Frank. I love Western films.
I love Western films. And now he's giving you the reason.
I think it's because I played...
Okay. I think it's because means you're telling the reason, right?
Yes, sir.
तो चलो बोलो कि मेरी इंग्लिश ना बेहतर हो रही है, मुझे लगता है इस वजह से हो रही है, आप रीजन देने के लिए बोलो, ठीक है? My English is getting better. I think it's because ऐसे बोलो.
My English is
getting better. I think it's because of this class.
I think I'm listening
Because of
to
this
the audio
class.
file. I think
Because I listening to audio file.
I think
I think because I'm attending this class.
I am attending class.
फिर से सब लोग शांत होकर सुन लीजिए, है ना? My English is getting better. I think it's because उसके बाद अपनी बात बताते जाइए जो बोलना है आपको, ठीक है? और सुनिए. I think my English is not getting better. I think it's because, है ना? फिर reason बताना. I think it's because I'm not listening to the audio file.
I'm not listening to the audio files.
Okay?
My English is getting.
मुझे फलाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. वजह शायद ये है ना कि वो बहुत ही प्यार से बात करता है, बहुत शांति से बात करता है. ज्यादा जोर से बोलने वाले लोग मुझे पसंद नहीं आते, है ना? I like him. I think it's because he speaks very softly. I like him.
I like.
I think it's because मतलब जो अभी पीछे बोले उसकी वजह, है ना?
I
जो
like.
अभी की वजह, right? I think it's because. All right. People voted for Trump. Reason दीजिए अपने तरफ से. यही स्ट्रक्चर यूज करके.
People voted for Trump. I think
People voted for Trump.
He was
I think it is.
he is the honest leader.
doing great there.
Apurva, you go first.
I think it's because he is doing great there.
All right. Thank you, Apurva. Okay. Moni.
People get more Trumps. I think it because.
It is because.
he's.
It's because.
I
It's
think.
apostrophe S. It's because. It is because. Okay, people? It's because means it is because.
because
I think it's because he's a great leader.
All right. Chalo, Renu, your opinion. People voted for Trump in America.
I think it's because he take care of middle class
Okay.
people.
All right. I think it's because his campaign targeted the middle class people. All right. And their problems. Okay, good. I mean, aimed at, targeted means aimed at. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Irshad, people voted for Trump in America. Reason.
People voted for Trump in America. I think it's because he's a good leader.
Okay. All right. Other people. Come on. Ravi. Sana. People voted for Trump in America. I think
People voted
for
Trump for America. I think
people voted for Trump in America.
people voted Trump in America.
Voted
I
for
think
Trump. मैम
voted
वर्ड
for
नहीं नहीं
Trump.
आपके बोलने के तरीके में इशू है। मैं बताता हूँ, आप बात करने के जोन में नहीं है, ठीक है? आप नहीं होती हैं बात करने के जोन में। आप जिस लहजे से बात करती हैं उससे ये पता चलता है बात करने के लहजे में नहीं है। आप याद करके बोलने के सुनाना चाह रही हैं आप मुझे, ठीक है? और ये नहीं करना है आपको। आपको एक एक वर्ड को फील करना है। आप फॉर को 3 बार मिस करी हैं। पीपल वोटेड ट्रम्प, पीपल वोटेड फॉर ट्रम्प।
People voted Trump.
For Trump.
अच्छा चलो,
People voted for Trump. I think it is a good leader.
अच्छा कोशिश करते रहिए। और इतने सारे लोग का सुन करके आप मिस किए हैं, ध्यान रखिए, समझ लीजिए नीश, आप कितना धीरे सीखते हैं, कितना कम समय बिता रहे हैं ऑडियो के साथ, कितना पुअर है आपका लिसनिंग स्किल्स। 1 2 3 4 5 लोग बोले, पांचों के बाद आप गलत बोल दिए। इसका मतलब 5 लोग का बोलने का असर नहीं हुआ, नहीं 5 बार सुनने का असर नहीं हुआ आप पे। कितनी बार? 5 बार सुनना भी काफी नहीं आपके लिए। 5 बार सुन के भी आप सीख गए होते तो बड़ी बात थी। 5 बार सुनी आपने, प्लस मैंने 5 बार बोली वो अलग। 10 बार सुन के भी नहीं होता है। यानी अनीश, आप 10 बार भी सुनो तो आपके लिए काफी नहीं है, ये पता चला। ठीक है अनीश, ये पता चला कि 10 बार भी सुनना आपके लिए काफी नहीं, यानी कि आपको खूब सुनने की जरूरत है, ये पता चला इससे। हाँ चलिए एक बार और कोशिश करिएगा, ध्यान दीजिएगा। यस संयुक्ता मैम, पीपल वोटेड फॉर ट्रम्प। हाँ,
People voted for Trump in America because it's
हाँ बहुत अच्छा। ये बिकॉज करके डायरेक्ट बोला जा सकता है, ठीक है दोस्तों। लेकिन अगर आप थोड़ा सा प्ले करना चाहें, आई थिंक इट्स बिकॉज
he is an honest leader.
इज एन ऑनेस्ट लीडर। ओके,
He's an honest leader.
अच्छा अनीश, जब गलती हो ना तो सब पे गलती। एक और इसकी वजह भी बता देता हूँ। एक्चुअली मैंने जब कहा ना कि 10 बार तुम सुन चुके नहीं असर हुआ, तुमने सुना ही नहीं। जब सब बोल रहे हैं ना तो तुम अपने दिमाग में अपना सेंटेंस बनाने में बिजी हो, जो कि कई लोगों की गलती होती है। आपको सबको सुनना चाहिए, अपने आप आपका सही हो जाएगा। आप लोग सुनने के पावर को नहीं जानते, सुनने के पावर से वाकिफ नहीं आप। यू आर नॉट फेमिलियर विद द पावर ऑफ लिसनिंग। यस, स्पीक सना, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
People voted for Trump because it's good leadership.
मेरे ख्याल से आप पूरा ऊपर नीचे कर दी। हम लोग आई थिंक करके रीजन बताना चाह रहे हैं।
I think it's because good leadership.
I think because he is a good leader. I think because he is a good leader. I think because he's a good leader. People voted for Trump. I think it's because, okay, a lot of girls wear pink. आप इसकी वजह देने की कोशिश करिए। और ऐसी चीजों की वजह देने की बात हो रही है जिसमें कोई सॉलिड ऐसे कनेक्शन नहीं है, ओपिनियन होते हैं, इसलिए आई थिंक करके बोल रहे, राइट? मुझे लगता है इसकी वजह ये है कि, चलो बताओ। आई थिंक इट्स बिकॉज in advertisement they show girls in pink, so girls like pink. Okay, I think it's because now मुझे लगता है इसकी वजह, हाँ
I think it's because girls love pink color.
वेरी गुड। मैंने पूछा लड़कियों को पिंक क्यों पसंद है? क्योंकि उनको पिंक कलर पसंद है? क्या सॉलिड जवाब दिया इसने। अपूर्वा मान गए।
ड्रेस था ना सर, पिंक ड्रेस।
सॉलिड।
Cowboys and Indians all the time.
I think it's because I played Cowboys and Indians. मेरी इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं है, शायद इसकी वजह यह है ना कि हम हिंदी मीडियम में पढ़ाई किए थे बचपन में। माई इंग्लिश इज नॉट वेरी गुड। बोलो।
English is not very
I think
because my
because I studied
in
in
Hindi
government
was
school.
in Hindi medium.
My English is not very good. I think it's because
I think it's because I studied in
Hindi medium.
medical
My English is not good. I think it's because
studied
I
in
studied in Bengali
government
medium.
government school.
Yeah, like that. Okay, good. I don't feel very comfortable talking to the opposite gender people. I think it's because I studied in a only boys school.
Girls school.
Boys school.
Girls
And I studied
school and
I think
college.
he studied think he studied in
I look older than I am. I think it's because my hair is gray. I look older than I am. मैं जितना हूँ उससे ज्यादा उम्र का दिखता हूँ. I think it's because of my hair. Okay. तो आप समझ रहे हैं? आई थिंक इट्स करके कैसे बोलते हैं? अपनी अपनी वजह बता देते हैं। बहुत आसान है, कुछ नया नहीं है, कुछ अजीब नहीं है, बस सुनना गौर से और आसान लगेगा।
Sir, what you say? I think how.
It's because.
What's your
Sir,
question?
one.
Because I think
Sir,
it's because
sir, what you say? I am.
Look older than I am.
look older than I
Sir,
am.
one more time, sir. Your voice is not
I
very clear.
think I think it's because
I
of my
look older
hair.
than I am. I think it's because of my hair.
I think it's because of my hair.
Hello, sir.
Can you hear me now, Apurva?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your voice is not very clear that time, sir.
Okay, I'll say it again. I said I look older than I am. I think it's because of my hair.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's continue.
And when I was a boy,
I love Western films. I think it's because I played Cowboys and Indians. Okay. I like Westerns. I like Western films. उसने कहा ना, I like Western films.
Frank. I love Western films. I think it's because I played Cowboys and Indians all the time when I was a boy.
I think it's because I played Cowboys and Indians all the time when I was a boy. When he was a boy means when he was a young child, right? When he was a boy, he played Cowboys and Indians all the time. So why does he like this film?
Cowboys.
Cowboys and Indians. It's a game. It's a game. Cowboys and Indians. I played Cowboys and Indians all the time when I was a boy. Why does he like Western films, guys?
Because
because
Because Cowboys and Indians.
Indian only.
All the times.
He played Cowboys and Indians all the time when he was
All
a
the
child,
time.
when he was a boy.
when he
When
was
I was
a child.
child, that's why.
When he was a child, he played Cowboys and Indians all the time.
All the
All
time.
the time. Cowboys
That's
in
why
Indian.
he liked
He's
Cowboys.
Cowboys in Indian.
Cowboys movies.
Yeah. किसी से पूछा? डायरेक्ट मैसेज करो रवि, डायरेक्ट मैसेज करो. ओके, डायरेक्ट मैसेज करो, डायरेक्ट मैसेज, और उसके बाद रिएक्शन आए तो फिर मैं कुछ बोलूं. ओके, ये अपूर्वा, ही वांट्स टू से समथिंग टू यू, बट आई विल नॉट बी द मैसेंजर. Ravi, send her the message directly. Okay, where was I? Ask him, message him what he said to you. He wrote something. Okay. Where was I? What was I talking about? He
I think
distracted.
he plays Cowboys and Indian Cowboys of Indian when he was child.
Okay, yeah, when he was a child. You know, suppose somebody wants to be a doctor. Okay. आप उससे पूछे डॉक्टर क्यों बनना चाहते हैं? Why do you want to be a doctor? क्योंकि जब हम बच्चे थे ना तो हम खूब डॉक्टर खेलते थे. Because
I played
Because I
uh,
played Doctor
child.
in my childhood.
In
A lot. I played Doctor a lot when I was a
Doctor,
child. Right.
I played
Lord.
Doctor a lot when I was child.
Did you play Doctor or teacher? I mean teacher student. Doctor बोले तो doctor and teacher. The children play these.
I played
No,
both.
sir. When
हाँ.
I
I
was
played
child,
both.
I played teacher.
Okay. And did you
A
play the
lot,
teacher?
sir.
Did you play the teacher, Sangeeta ma'am? Were you
Yes,
the
sir.
teacher?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you are.
One time my father was beaten me.
बस क्यों बोला आपने? मेरे पापा ने मारा मुझे. V2.
My father beated me.
Beat का V2 BT होता है. Beat me up. My father once beat me up. Why? Why? Because you played teacher.
Yes.
Okay. That's interesting. Normally parents feel very happy when you play teacher. They like
Yes,
seeing
sir.
you as a teacher. All right. Did you guys play teacher and doctor when you guys were kids? Who
I
didn't?
played both.
Yeah,
when
of
I-
course. Anybody here who didn't play these games when they were kids?
I played lots of games, sir.
Did you
Not
play,
only-
did you
I
play these
also
games
played
too?
lots
Did
of
you play
games.
these games too?
Yes, yeah, yeah.
Of course. Anybody who didn't play doctor and teacher? Anyone? Anyone who didn't play? No, everybody played this game. These games. Okay.
But I didn't become a nurse. No, I didn't become a doctor. I became nurse that time.
Okay. ये जो स्ट्रेस हो रहा है रेनू बोलते समय जो इतनी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन आती है चेहरे के एक्सप्रेशन बदलते हैं स्ट्रगल होता है ये इसका एक ही सोल्यूशन है लिसनिंग ओके रेनू एक ही सोल्यूशन है घंटे 2 घंटे की लिसनिंग रोज
Okay, sir.
My favourite cowboy movie is High Noon with
My favorite cowboy movie is High Noon. This is his favorite cowboy movie. My favorite cowboy movie is High
the
Noon
fantastic Gary Cooper.
with the fantastic Gary Cooper. So who was the actor? Gary Cooper.
Gary.
With the fantastic Gary Cooper.
I like it so much because it's a classic western.
Classic Western.
देखा उसने fantastic लगा दिया Gary Cooper के पहले with the fantastic Gary Cooper. It means in his opinion, Gary Cooper was fantastic in that film.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. ऐसे इंग्लिश में कर सकते हैं ना? Yeah. Okay.
And I really love the ending.
And a really lovely ending.
I really love the ending.
No, and a really lovely ending.
Gary Cooper. I like it so much because it's a classic western.
I like it so much because it's a classic western. Bolly, I like it so much because
It's a classic Western.
it's a classic western. I like it so much because it is a classic western.
Classic Western.
Western. It's a classic Western.
I like
It's
it
a
so much because
classic
it's a
western.
classic western.
And I really love the ending.
And a really lovely ending. I like it because it's a classic western and
It's
it
a
has a
classic
really lovely
western.
ending. It has a really lovely ending. Okay, move on.
4. Nora. Oh, Gone with the Wind.
Oh, Gone with the Wind. This is the name of the film. It started with the name. नाम के साथ शुरू किया. She did not say my favorite film is this. She said, "Oh, Gone with the Wind."
That's a lovely film.
That's a lovely film. Gone with the Wind. That's a lovely film. अब इसका टोन से क्या लग रहा है? कितना पसंद है इसको ये फिल्म?
बहुत ही.
Nora.
Very favorite.
Oh, Gone with the Wind. That's a lovely film.
Oh, Gone with the Wind. That's a lovely film.
It's long, but
It's long, but
the story's so interesting all the way through.
the story is interesting all the way through. It's a long film. The film is long, but the story is interesting. But the story is
The story is
Interesting.
interesting.
the story is interesting. Interested.
Interesting.
Interesting.
We are interested.
Yes.
We are interested.
Okay. The story, it's a long film, but the story is interesting all the way through. All the way through means in some parts or the entire film?
Every parts.
Entire movie,
From
okay?
the starting
Entire movie.
ending.
Yeah. The story is interesting all the way through. Okay. So all the way through means from the beginning till the
Ending.
end. All the
Beginning to
way
the ending.
through. All the way through. The story is interesting all the way through. Okay. I read the book all the way through in one night. I read the book all the way through in one night. What does it mean? I read the book from the beginning till the
Ending.
end in one night. All the way through.
One night.
Okay. तो ये सब phrases सुनिए और सुन के सीख जाइए दिमाग लगा के हल्का सा.
I love it because, but the story's so interesting all the way through.
The story is so interesting all the way through. All the way through मतलब कुछ समझ में आ रहा है आपको कि नहीं आ रहा एकदम?
Yeah.
बताइए हिंदी में क्या समझ में आ रहा है?
सभी तरह से मुझे वो इंटरेस्टिंग लगा.
पूरा.
हाँ बहुत अच्छे. इंग्लिश में फ्रेज को रिपीट करिए.
All the way.
All the way.
Entire movie.
All the way.
Means entire.
भूल गई संयोगिता मैम.
All the way through.
All the way
All the way
through.
through.
All the way through. All the way through. Okay. पता है रोड जो है ना इतना खराब है ना एकदम पूरा रोड खराब है यहाँ से वहां तक एकदम रोड एकदम खराब है यार. The road is awful. The road is awful.
Awful all the way.
All the way through.
The road is awful all the way.
All the way through.
पता है रास्ता भर सोई है एकदम शुरू से आखिर तक सोती रही और लड़की है. She slept.
She slept all the way.
She slept.
All the way. Through all the way.
Through all the way थोड़ी था मैम. आप उलट पुलट कर रही हैं.
नहीं. Beginning to ending.
अब आगे पीछे कर दीजिएगा उसको. जैसे है वैसे ही रहेगा ना. All the way through. फ्रेज क्या है?
All the way through.
My train journey was good all the way through.
Very nice. Okay. All right. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now listen to this one. Okay. ये रसगुल्ला जब हम बनाते हैं ना तो ना पूरा सॉफ्ट नहीं रहता है. बीच में ना कड़ा हो जाता है. My rasgullas, the rasgullas I make, the rasgullas
I made
are not
All the way
soft
all the way through.
Are not soft all the way through, right? Yeah.
Like this pastry is so good all the way through when I cut it.
Okay, good. No problems. Great. You got it. You got the sense, Renuji. Perfect. Your example suggested that you understood the sense very well. Okay? All right.
I love it because I love Clark Gable.
I love it because I love Clark Gable. I love it because
I love Clark
Gable. Because I love Clark Gable.
Vivian Lee is beautiful too. Lovely film. It's long, but the story's so interesting all the way through. I love it because I love Clark Gable. Vivian Lee is beautiful too. But Clark is fantastic.
कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? टोन समझ में आ रहा है? मूड समझ में आ रहा है कि खाली इन्फॉर्मेशन है? खाली इन्फॉर्मेशन या इमोशन भी है? क्या लग रहा है आपको?
Emotion.
हाँ जरा दिखाओ मुझे. Show me the same emotion. Go ahead. Give me the sense.
So much Clark Gable, sir.
Yeah, she loves Clark Gable, right? She is crazy about that actor. I love it because I love Clark Gable. Vivian Lee is too beautiful too, but Clark is fantastic.
But Clark is
I saw it for the 4th time last year.
I saw it for the 4th time last year.
Last year.
I saw it for the 4th time last year. I saw it
For
For
the
the
fourth
fourth
time.
time last.
So it for
For
the
the
fourth
fourth
time
time
last year.
last year.
Fourth,
Last year.
F-O-U-R-T-H.
Time.
Page fourth.
F-O-U-R-T-H.
Time.
I
Fourth.
saw it for the fourth time last year. I saw it for the fourth time last year.
Fourth. Last year.
I saw it for the fourth time last
Saw
year.
it for the fourth time.
Hindi.
मैंने चौथी
लास्ट ईयर में चौथी बार देखा हूँ,
लास्ट
4
साल
बार देखा हूँ।
पिछली साल
ना।
में चौथी बार देखी।
पिछले साल चौथी बार देखा।
या यस सर।
4 बार नहीं देखा मोनित, चौथी बार देखा।
For the fourth time.
I saw it for the fourth time last year.
Yes, sir.
यानी 3 बार कब देखे थे?
पहले
exactly. और लास्ट ईयर
चौथी बार
For the fourth time.
I saw it for the fourth time last year. I saw it for the fourth time last year. I saw it for the fourth time last year. Okay. देखो.
I saw it the last time last year.
I saw it fourth time the last year.
For the fourth time. For the fourth time. For the fourth time. चौथी बार. पहली बार
Time. For the first time.
लास्ट ईयर से पहले।
For the first नहीं for the first time. इंग्लिश करने के लिए क्या? पहली बार का इंग्लिश?
I
For
saw
the first time.
For the first time.
For the
आखिरी
first
बार?
time last year.
For the last time.
last time.
I saw the last time last year.
दूसरी बार?
For the second time.
Second time last year.
चौथी बार?
For the fourth
The
time.
fourth time.
Fourth time last year.
पता है
Last year.
कल मैंने उसको 5वीं बार प्रपोज किया, लेकिन फिर उसने मना कर दिया। कल मैंने उसे 5वीं बार प्रपोज किया।
I proposed
To her, I proposed to her.
Proposed.
Fifth time.
I
For the
proposed
fifth
to
time.
her
yesterday.
fifth time
Yesterday.
last day or yesterday.
But
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
I proposed to her for the 5th time
I-
yesterday,
Uh,
and she again said no. She said no one more time. Okay. She said no for the 5th time.
but she still
Said no. Yeah.
but she still accept me.
कल हम छठी बार उसको प्रपोज करेंगे, या अगले सप्ताह हम छठी बार करेंगे प्रपोज।
I will propose him for
I
the
will
sixth time
propose
next
6th time yesterday.
Next
Tomorrow
week.
I will propose 6th
next day.
right?
Next
Next
week,
week.
right? Next week.
I proposed
अगले
to
सप्ताह
her
फिर करेंगे
next
छठी बार,
day.
और ये आखिरी बार होगा।
And this will be
It is the
for
last
the
time.
last time.
Yeah, it will be for the last time.
It will be last time.
It will be the last time. It will be for
It
the
will
last
be
time.
the-
Okay, no problems.
Will be for the last time.
Okay. All right, guys. मैंने पिछले साल चौथी बार देखी वो फिल्म। I saw the film, saw it.
I saw it for the fourth
time
For
For the
the
fourth
film.
time last
Fourth
year.
time last year.
Last
For the fourth time last year.
I saw
Right.
it fourth time last year.
तो पिछले साल कितनी बार देखा उसने? पिछली साल कितनी बार देखा उसने?
एक बार
Fourth
sir.
time.
Please only one time.
Fourth
पिछले
time.
पिछले साल कितनी बार देखा उसने?
Fourth
एक
time.
One time.
Fourth चौथी बार एक बार.
मेरा क्वेश्चन बहुत गौर से सुनिएगा। पिछले साल उसने ये फिल्म कितनी बार देखा?
एक
एक
बार
बार.
One time, sir. Only one time.
Just one. Just one
Yes.
time.
और वो एक बार देखा, और वो एक बार चौथी बार था।
Yes sir.
चौथी बार. चौथी नंबर बार.
कल मैंने उसे प्रपोज किया। कितनी बार किया? कल पहली
एक
बार
One
किया?
time.
कल एक बार किया, लेकिन वो एक बार कौन सी बार था?
Fifth time.
फिफ्थ
Fifth
टाइम था।
time.
बताया था ना, आई प्रपोज टू हर फॉर द 5th टाइम यस्टरडे। 4 बार उससे पहले प्रपोज कर चुका था मैं, राइट? आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड गाइस। It's a very interesting sentence. It confuses a lot of people, okay? I saw the film for the 4th time last year.
Five. Sam.
We have all the Star Wars.
Okay, no hurry, no hurry. आप लोग क्या करोगे दोस्तों? आज का जो पढ़ाई है, आज जो सीखा वो प्रैक्टिस करना है, ठीक है?
आज नई
Yes.
चीजें सीखी हैं आपने, गौर करना, आप पूरे वीडियो देखोगे, यू विल रियलाइज हाउ मेनी न्यू थिंग्स यू हैव लर्न. प्लीज प्रैक्टिस. पहले तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है मम्मी जो खाना बनाती है, एक सीखा वो, आई लाइक द डिशेस मम्मी कुक्स. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता जो कपड़ा मेरी दीदी पहनती है, मुझे पसंद नहीं आता. आई डोंट लाइक द क्लोज माई सिस्टर वेयर्स. ठीक है, ऐसे करके आप कर सकते हैं. सर जो पढ़ाते हैं ना, बहुत बहुत यूजफुल है. द what the things sir teaches, the things sir teaches are very useful.
Are
The
very
things sir
useful.
teaches are very useful. Anybody? What? Oh, okay. I thought where this is coming from. Okay. कल जो गाना संयुक्ता मैम गाई थी, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I loved
I love
That
I love
I
the
love that song.
that. नहीं, the
song.
song.
I
The
love
song.
I
I
love
love the
I
song
love
when
the
you
song.
sang
The
संयुक्ता
I
मैम
love
sang.
the song Sogita
संयुक्ता
ma'am
मैम
sang
sang
yesterday.
Sang,
yes
sang. Only sang.
sang
Sang.
yesterday.
Sang yesterday.
Sang because कल गाई थी, past tense.
suddenly I think that which song I sang, sir.
So you will recall and you will sing on Monday. Okay, Sayugita ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So guys, Sayugita ma'am will sing a song for us on Monday.
No,
Excited
sir.
about it?
I am not singer, sir.
But you said you will sing. आपने अभी तो कहा था आप गाएंगी, याद करके.
No, sir, no.
Okay, guys, didn't she say yes? She just said yes, and now she's going back.
I think that which song yesterday I sang.
Uh-huh. But अब आपको याद करके उसको गाना है Monday को, okay? Whatever song it was. So guys, we will continue on Monday. Please practice. And ये याद रखिएगा, आपका मेहनत कभी जाया नहीं जाएगा. आपका हार्ड वर्क कभी बेकार नहीं होगा. Spend time with the audio files. हर दिन सुनना है. अगर कोई audio files नहीं available है, let me know, okay? I'll see you guys.
What
Bye-bye.
did he say?
Bye, sir.
Sir, what
Sorry,
did he say?
Apurva,
Sir, what did
ask him what he
he
said.
he? I asked him, but he didn't message me.
Okay. Mm. Okay, just a second. What do I do? He wrote, Apurva is looking beautiful in her age. I think it's because of makeup.